Hi everyone, it's Iman from Pokeweed Seeds, the Kids Nature and Gardening program. If you were traveling hundreds or thousands of miles and you needed to stop so you can get food and rest, and you found a delicious meal and you're just about to eat it and someone takes it, tosses it, throws it in the trash, and it happened again and again, what would you do to survive if all your food was gone? That's the story for millions of American birds and their reliance on a native plant called pokeweed, a plant most of us call a weed. We chop this plant down and we throw it out just when our Native American birds need it the most. Pokeweed ripens into beautiful purplish, blackish berries in late summer and fall, when millions of American birds are starting to migrate south for winter. They sometimes fly hundreds or thousands of miles at night, and they need to stop and eat during the day, like the rose-breasted grosbeak, which is in trouble. Well, you say to yourself, I'll just plant this other pretty plant. It's not native, but it's got berries, and I see birds visiting all the time. I'm sure they'll be fine. Nope, they won't be. In fact, many of our native butterflies and moths don't recognize plants that aren't native, can't use them, can't lay their eggs on them. And this goes up the food chain. Our birds will have less insects to eat. So if you plant small plants or bushes or trees that aren't native, many of our native animals will actually weigh less and become physically weaker than if they had native plants. If we keep the native pokeweed in our gardens, or in those city tree beds or sidewalk cracks where we often find them, we are helping millions of migrating American birds, like gray catbirds, rose-breasted grosbeaks, wood thrushes, hooded warblers, summer tanagers, eastern kingbirds, and so many other birds which migrate and need this food source as they stop to eat and rest on their long journey. So the next time a plant appears in your garden, even though you didn't plant it there, just volunteered, before you rip it out, ask yourself, is it a native plant? And if it is a native plant, keep it. Millions of American birds will thank you for it. Pokeweed Seeds.
Action.
I say action.
I say action.
No, I say action. I say action.
Okay. Whatever you say, Mama.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Action.
Oh.